10 tips to survive a breakup. 1. Cry all you want. Let the tears flow, it's healthy, you are releasing grief and pain. You may be afraid to start because you're fearful you'll never stop, but you will. 2. Do something every day to help yourself heal. Exercise, read, watch some self-help TV, DVDs, learn to meditate, and never underestimate the power of positive prayer. Pick things that you know will be fun or beneficial and do them. Don't wait for the mood to come over you, take one action and then take another. 3. Find emotional support. There are numerous groups for the newly single. Just don't try to tough it out or go it alone. Support from others is healing, even if those people never become close friends. 4. Don't be a doormat. If your soon-to-be ex continues to call you or simply won't go away or move out, tell them you can't heal with them around and ask them to keep their distance. If they are harassing or threatening you, it is best to call law enforcement for information and advice. 5. Keep busy. If you wake up early, take a walk, go out to breakfast, or do something around the house. Try a little retail therapy, go shopping, or enjoy the decadence of going to a movie in the middle of the day. If you can't sleep, do the crossword puzzle, read or watch TV. Don't sit in your room and ruminate, you have to free your mind so your heart can heal. 6. Don't try to mask your pain by trying to find a replacement. We all know the term rebound relationship happens when we unconsciously use another person to fill the gap that's been created by the ending of a relationship. These transitional connections can feel healing in the short term, but if you don't process your pain appropriately, you will not be able to be in a fully committed partnership. 7. Don't spend too much time alone. Hang out with friends or make new ones, go to coffee with someone you can talk to, volunteer in your community. You will need time alone, but if you isolate yourself, you won't be able to fully process your feelings or get the support you need to heal. 8. Trust your feelings. Even if you were taken by surprise by the breakup, your inner voice is telling you something. Listen carefully and you will hear that it will all be okay. You just have to let your feelings guide you. 9. Take your time. Don't rush out and buy a new car or move to a new home or another town. Major changes like those are merely a way of avoiding your feelings. Believe that with a little time, patience and support, you will feel better and find love again. 10. Research. Find out what others, who have not just survived but thrived after their relationships ended, did to achieve peace of mind. This little gem will give you insight, exercises and some sage advice for dealing with this heart-wrenching issue. Trust that you were not put here to suffer and that your life will not just be okay, it will be wonderful. Love will come again, and next time, if you have truly processed your feelings, it will be much better. Having to work through some alone time doesn't need to be totally painful. Remember that even though change is mandatory, suffering is optional. Thank you and subscribe us.